Hello and welcome to another task video. In this task, we're going to learn how to loop through arrays using forEach and for loops. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use forEach loop, how to use for loop, and which loop to use in different situations. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Why do we need loops? Imagine you have a list of items and you want to check each item one by one. Instead of writing separate code for each item, we use a loop to go through all items efficiently. So let's see an example. Let groceries equal to array apples Now we have declared an array. Let's see how we can loop through this list using different loops. Step 2. Using the forEach loop. ForEach is built in JavaScript method that loops through each item in an array and executes a function for each one. It's great when you just want to perform an action on each element. So what does it mean? Let's say groceries. So let's see an example. Groceries dot for each of function of item console dot log. I need to buy item Here we go, we can see the result here. I need to buy apples, I need to buy bananas, I need to buy carrots, I need to buy milk. The forEach loop has looped through each item in an array and executes a function for each one. So this is how this output has been printed. The forEach loop is super easy to use it. It automatically goes through each item in the array and executes a function inside it. So step 3, using for loop. Now let's try the same grocery list using the traditional for loop. For let I equal to 0, I less than I less than groceries dot length I plus plus console dot log. I need to buy groceries of I. So here we go, you can see the output here. I need to buy apples, I need to buy bananas, I need to buy carrots, I need to buy milk. So in this loop, we will manually define a counter I and set a condition I less than groceries dot length and increase I in each step. So this is how the for loop is functioning. Step 4. Key differences between forEach and for loop. Use forEach when you simply want to process each item and don't need to stop or skip any elements. Use for loop when you need full control over the iteration, with example skipping elements or stopping early. Step 5. Using forEach with index and array reference. So did you know that forEach gives you access to the index and the whole array? Let's see an example. Groceries dot forEach groceries dot forEach function item comma index comma array console.log item dollar index +1. Here we go, you can see the output here. This is useful when you need to display the position of an item in the list. Let's do a recap and see what we have learned today. Number 1, how to use forEach to loop through array easily. Number 2, how to use for loops for more control. Number 3, the differences between forEach and for loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another task video.